Well, the COVID-19 outbreak and the subsequent lockdown result in the closure of schools nationwide. As a result, the Indian school traditional classrooms to a digital platform it turned. And this unplanned and rapid move towards online education has alienated a large number of digital have-nots from virtual classrooms. Well, only a handful of fortunate children are availing online education, as only 24% of households in India possess smartphones and 11.5% of households that have children of between age of 5 to 18 have a computer with an internet connection. Well, however, from the first week of April, the lives of all those children have temporarily shrunk to just their homes and screens. And what is the story, and are they happy with the new arrangement? The answer lies in how learning at home is being conducted by each school and in each family. Well, here we have our school special focus on School Scan with me, Vasavi, today. Well, to capture the evidences of children between the ages of 5 and 18 who are currently pursuing online education, a virtual survey was conducted between Friday, May 15 and Sunday, May 17 in 2020, and the questionnaire, which is close to 40 questions, was circulated through WhatsApp and emails to give responses and have been received from 155 students across 13 states. That's all from Assam, Bihar, Delhi, Haryana, Jharkhand, Karnataka, Maharashtra, Manipur, Odisha, Rajasthan, and not other than Telangana, Uttar Pradesh, West Bengal on the random basis. So this is all to understand how online educations are helping students to grasp this subject. And today, now let us try to get in touch with the few children from Hyderabad, Telangana to connect their opinion on online classes. So now we have Abhilash on air to give us a lot more information on how does he feel about online education. Hello Abhilash. Hello Abhilash.
Hello,
am I audible
ma'am.
to you?
Yes, ma'am.
So Abhilash, just tell me, how is your online class experience?
Like the online classes like are new to us. It takes some time to settle for us. Like now we used to have many practice sessions when we are in college, but now we don't have. We have only a weekly wise test. So we are lagging off from practice, and like uh, we just got a lot of time to prepare. Who are aspiring for JEE and all, they have got a lot of time for the preparation. I only feel the advantage of these online classes is that we got more time. The students have got more time, so we can utilize it.
So do you find any difference from classroom study to online study?
Yes, ma'am, a lot of difference. Like in a classroom environment, we have a lot of distractions. Like the students are not are not fully concentrated on the board, but here in home we could fully concentrate on the subject that a instructor is teaching us. So I find the only difference is that grasping the concept, we can grasp the concept more.
Well, are you able to grasp any subject knowledge through online classes?
Yes, ma'am, of course, but like there are some cases that I don't understand the subject yet sometimes. So they feel scared to ask the instructor about the doubts. Of course, because there are a lot of students viewing online, so it feels scary.
So Abhilash, what do you miss because of online classes? Generally, you used to go to school and attend classrooms, studies and all along with your friends. So what do you miss so much about your classroom study, and how do you feel for this drastic change from classroom study to online classes? What do you miss so much?
Yeah, yes, ma'am. Of course, I mean, due to this COVID-19, we are unable to go to school. So the schools and colleges have conducted online meetings. But I miss out my friends, and it would take for me to half an hour to reach the school. So the time is being saved. I miss the journey, and sitting in home feels so tired. Like some.
So would you like to continue the online classes?
No, ma'am. No, of course not. Because classroom environment is different from being in home and studying what the instructor is teaching us. So I feel.
So how are your assignments, Abhilash? So how are you doing? What teachers are teaching you? Like how long duration you are into online screens? What is the duration of your classes?
The duration has been decreased. Like in school we used to sit whole day, but now it's decreased to half day. It starts at 8 and ends at 12. Remaining half day they give it as a preparation, but most of the students skip it and just enjoy the time.
Okay, so now like regarding the subject knowledge, so what kind of subjects you are able to understand online, and if you face any difficulties in understanding the subject further?
Like maths we can understand easily, but concepts like physics and chemistry are pretty hard to grasp, I feel.
So mathematics is a big issue. So how teachers are teaching mathematics online? So will they provide you any assignments, or how do they teach?
Yeah, the schools and colleges have provided their both, so they're gonna explain on both. And assignments are we are just not getting the assignments. Like we have a weekly test and we need to complete our objective books and all the stuff. They just instruct us to.
When we talk about mathematics, like there will be a number of formulas to understand. So this formula thing, how you are managing to learn? Because it's not a one-time shot that we can learn the formula just like that. So how are you practicing it at your home?
As I said, our class duration is like a half day. It ends in half day. Like I still have a half day in my hand. So sitting idle doesn't work. So I just learn, I take out the book and learn a formula and just pass out my time. It's studying is also become an entertainment.
Yes. So usually there was a schedule like 9 o'clock to 4 o'clock continuous classrooms you used to attend. And now how are you maintaining your time for your study?
Yeah, the school prepares the timetable and we have 1 hour classes, and in between we get a half an hour break.
For every class?
Yeah, we have a half an hour break for every class. So the topics which are to be discussed are like reduced. Like we aren't getting time to complete the concepts on time, I feel.
So are you being more stressed studying online, or if you were stressed while studying in the classrooms?
I was studying in online classes because some students couldn't grasp the concept of things. Classroom environment is quite better, like friends are around, so you can catch up the concepts.
So as every one of you logged at your places, I don't think so there will be a chance for you to meet your friends. So how are you handling your combined studies and all? Like if all of your friends go on a Zoom call or anything to learn further any subjects like this, if anything happened in your circle so far?
No, my friends are coming out from their whole house. Like they are preparing their own subject, no combined studies. And their parents are too worried to send them outside and combine studies.
Yes.
So
in regular overall, if we talk about the online education, what can you say about it?
if this cannot continue, I hope it causes a lot of struggle for the students. Like there are many students who doesn't have access to the gadgets to attend the online classes. And there's many students who don't have even a proper internet connection. This could affect the studies of the students.
Yes.
I think.
So if you have ever missed out any class because of any power cuts or internet connection failures or something like that?
Yeah, I've missed many classes, I hope, due to power cut and once due to internet connection.
Okay. So then, if you missed out such class, if teachers are providing you any hard copy of a subject, like if they are providing you any text content for you to study for that particular class.
Yeah, like we have an advantage there. The teachers do record the classes and just they upload into the online website. So just need to log in and just view the video. It's done.
So how do they record the class actually?
Yeah, and like screen sharing. If they do screen share, they record the
Okay.
some.
So will that be helpful for you? Like, are you just comfortable with the method they share?
Yes, of course, because we could view the class anytime, anywhere, and many times we could. If we doesn't understand the concept, we could see the class how many times we.
Okay. Do you feel if there is any necessity for textbooks while studying online?
Yeah, of course we need the books because the teachers go very advanced. So we students need to at least know the concepts what are going on. So we need this a textbook to know like what's the concept is going on and how long it takes to complete and what are the topics.
So, like, how do you take down the notes? Like, if you use textbook or if you just take it out while you are having your online classes? So,
Yeah,
how teachers are
I'll
helping you to take a note?
yeah, I'll maintain a running notes or if it is impossible like the time is note it down to the notes.
So that's very nice. That's very nice. So like now, if there are any kind of challenges you are facing through online education, so if any, if you can note it down, what are the challenges?
Like, I have a habit of discussing the topics with the friends in a classroom, but now I guess I can't do it. So it's pretty hard for me to grasp some concepts and learn by my own. I feel that.
Yes. So like when you, as you selected, you just want to get back to school. So what do you want to take back from the online education? What you liked much of about this online education? If there is at least one point I was expecting.
It saves time, a lot of time, and it
Okay.
gives time for the preparation for the individuals if they utilize it correctly.
Okay. So like in this meantime, while the education study is reduced to about from 12 hours to 4 to 5 hours a limited time. So in the limited time, are you able to pack up the knowledge? Like if you're understanding the subject in this short period?
Yeah, like the lecturers just to complete the subject given to us. Yeah, there are some topics they just rush and we don't understand. However, they're gonna explain it again. Like we have 2 times revision in a week, so it's not a problem.
So like if the institutions are providing textbooks for you, or if there are any clauses to it, like at times
Yeah.
there were reports from students that some institutions were not providing textbooks. So if you have faced such issues ever.
No, I've received my textbooks. Our institution have produced all the textbooks required for it, so I have no problem now.
Cool. That's very amazing talking to you. Abhilash, keep going and
Thank
keep
you.
studying very all the best.
Thank you, ma'am.
So here we have a complete update from a student of Hyderabad that who says that he has a difficulties when he couldn't avail the internet connection. So as the students on air, when they want to study with an online education, they are unable to attend the classes if they missed out with the internet. So there's an overwhelming number of responses which were from private school goers, as 87.2% of the surveyed children are studying in private run schools, and only around 12.8% of students were aided from central or state and government schools or government aided schools. Well, the survey received a response from children from every grade starting from grade 1 to grade 12, and the distribution also showed that 27% were studying at the primary level. And here, Abhilash, if you have able to hear me now,
Yes, ma'am.
So, if you have any younger brothers or anyone, like if you have enough gadgets at home just to share your online education,
Yes, ma'am.
so how does your younger brother feel? Like, will he able to grasp the knowledge, and how he is mentally fit to attend the online classes? So, if there is
He's not.
any mental pressure you observed.
He's a little lower standard, like he's in sixth class, and the schools haven't provided the books. So just they are writing on a paper and just showing up to the camera. So he couldn't understand what the teacher is gonna explain him. He feel a bit difficult to grasp the concept. He tells me many times that he couldn't understand what the institute is trying to tell him. So
Yeah. So Abhilash, it's a drastic change from classroom to online education. So previously, when the lecturer is about to write for us on note, blackboard and whiteboards and all. So now the screen sharing thing has come up and completely digitalized. So now we are being exposed to screens for a longer time. So though even we completed our online sessions, we are forced to at least text friends for some time and play some video games on screen. So do you do the same at your place? So how
yeah.
long, like since how long you will be, like from every day, how many hours you spend using phones or gadgets?
Yeah, like I spend at least 4 hours goes to my online classes, and I just sleep. I just take a nap and just wake up and revise my concepts, and I'll use 1 hour to play video games, play songs.
Okay, that's very nice. So 1 hour is a very little time, and how are you controlling your like eye pressure? Like there will be obviously some kind of pressure if you're exposed to lightings for a long time. So and also it brings out some mental stress. How are you trying to handle that?
Yeah, like
How are
I've
you?
been having headache. I had headache since 1 week. The screen time in the gadgets has been increased now. So the eyes are paining. Many of my friends even complain that they have their eyes are paining. They are headaches, migraine, etc.
This headache is a primary issue with you for attending for a longer time online classes. So
Yeah.
okay, so such time if you miss out the class, how does your friends help you in getting those subject back?
Yeah, this is just to say the notes. Like our class, what we say, like in charges have created a group for us. So they just post the updates what had happened in the class. So it doesn't make any change if I attend the class.
That's very great. So how are your parents supporting in online education?
Yeah, they are providing me everything to attend the online classes like gadgets, internet, everything. They are supporting me to attend online classes.
Okay. So like how is your father and mother, like if any of your parent or sibling, I mean your friends or anyone wants to explain you or attend class along with you to do anything to give you some kind of refreshments, and how are you, like if you're spending time outside to go somewhere with your friends and all, like how it is happening, how is your schedule all day?
Yeah, I have a half day to spend my time with my family. Like to each for this class environment, the time we would be tired and just prepare the concepts and just sleep. Now we got half day, so we could just spend it our family or go out or play games with the friends. We have a lot of time. So it depends on the every individual that how we utilize the time.
So where in the scenario of this unlimited freedom for you all, so how are you utilizing it? Freedom in a sense, you will get enough time to do anything, and a certain limited of 4 to 5 hours you need to attend the classes. So how are you managing the rest of your time? What are your plans if you're putting it into a productivity way, and how are you spending it?
Yeah, I don't do study long day. I just take 1 hour time for the studies, and I just enjoy with my family or play games. Like
So,
I just
hmm, that's fine.
yeah,
Do you think learning is actually possible through online education?
I feel we can learn if everyone has the individual interest, but it feels a bit hard. I feel it's hard to learn through online learning.
Hmm. So, like, whom do you approach when you face any kind of Zoom errors? Sometimes we will not be able to connect to the Zoom classes, if even if though the IDs and the passwords are provided, uh, just because of the house full and a number of people's already joined. So, then how do you resolve such kind of issues? How teachers will support you at the moment?
Our schools have provided classroom charges for like every class. So if there are any issues like logging into Zoom, so we need to just call them and we can resolve the issue. They're taking the issue.
So,
It's
do
not a
you
big deal.
find any change in the syllabus?
No, I hope
Like
maybe like
teachers crunching it, like making it as crisp and teaching the important topics. So if teachers are doing that way, like if they are using this kind of tricks like top 10, top 20, or important questions, this, that and all, if that is still
no.
happening in online classes?
No. They are teaching every concept. They are not concentrating on the important ones. They are teaching every basic support
Hmm.
because the government have not yet decided that the syllabus has been reduced or not.
Okay, so if the schools get reopened by September, how your schools, colleges, institutions would be opened by September, and how ready you are to get back to them?
Yeah. If the school opens tomorrow, I'm ready to go tomorrow. Yeah, I see. I think so. Both, of course.
So, like, if you have arranged any things in a new way just to attend online classes, how do you prepare yourself for online class every day?
It doesn't be big deal. Like we have a special email ID to log in into the session. So just we need to log in into the login session and attend the class.
Okay. So, like this virtual classrooms turned to be a new normal for us. So, if we try touching and get to understand the new concepts, so how new you feel and what kind of enthusiasm you had at the beginning and how do you feel now? Because we had a very exciting feeling at the beginning when we are entering into the online sessions, like attending online classes, but we don't have the same opinion now. So what is the feeling, changes in the feelings from day one to day today?
Of course, I felt very enthusiastic in the first day because the online learning was new to us. So I felt like it's a better option to teach because we do get personalized attention.
Hmm.
So I felt that we could grasp the concepts more easily, but gradually now I'm feeling that classroom is better.
So now Abhilash, so if you miss out something in online classes, so and the classroom atmosphere and all, so how do you manage to get it at your place? Because your friends are the first point which drags you to attend to the classrooms. Am I right?
Yeah.
So like your friends are the first place, and now your friends are like, it's very hard for every one of you to connect through online classes. Even though if you attend, teacher will be online to give us all the attendance tricks and all. So how are you managing? How are you like mentally adopting a daily custom to feel that you are with your friends?
Yeah. Of course, classes are going on, but we do have a personal WhatsApp messages. If any individual doesn't understand, they just post it like could anybody explain the topic just now the ma'am has explained. So the topper or the session topper would explain it in. We do message in a session. in a Zoom meeting personally. So
Friends that you're missing so much, like can you name them?
yeah, yeah, of course. Yeah, Sidvana, Jyoti, Shreyas, Suhasini, Anupama.
I could see the blush in you. Well, thank you so much, Abhilash, for joining us. And don't get mentally stressed and don't stick onto the screen hours for a longer time. And keep studying, keep going. All the best once again.
Thank you.
Thank you.